There's one Nigerian state quietly transforming itself with new hospitals, better roads, improved schools, technology investment, and billion naira infrastructure. Today, we are taking a look at the new Abia State, not through politics, not through social media debates, but by visiting the projects that are changing everyday life. By the end of this video, you might see Abia completely differently. Quick challenge before we continue. If you enjoy discovering the real Nigeria through documentaries like this, hit the like button before the first project surprises you. And if you are new here, subscribe because every day we're exploring the cities, mega projects, hidden places, and transformation shaping Nigeria's future. Now let's see what's happening in Abia. Project 1: Smart Primary Healthcare Centers. One of the biggest priorities has been improving healthcare at the community level. Instead of concentrating healthcare only in major cities, new smart primary health centers are being developed to bring quality medical services so close to residents. For many communities, this means a shorter travel distance and quicker access to healthcare. Project 2: Restoration of Aba Water Board. Water infrastructure is one of the least investments, but arguably one of the most important. For years, many residents relied on boreholes and private water vendors. The restoration of the Aba Water Board aims to improve public water supply and reduce dependence on expensive alternatives. If fully sustained, it will significantly improve daily life across Aba. Project 3: $100 million Beverages plant. This is one of the state's largest private investments, worth over $100 million. The Beverages plant represents more than another factory. It creates jobs, supports local suppliers, increases manufacturing capacity, and strengthens Aba's reputation as one of Nigeria's biggest commercial cities. Industrial investment like this often have ripple effects across the economy. Project 4: Umuodu University Road. Road determines how quickly people move, how businesses operate, and even how property value grows. The reconstruction of Umuodu and the University Road is improving access while making daily transportation smoother for residents. Project 5: Ukwa East General Hospital. Healthcare expansion continues. Construction has begun on the first general hospital. For residents who previously traveled long distance for medical care, this project could become one of the area's most important public investments. Project 6: Abia TechRise. Infrastructure is not only concrete, it's also people. Programs like Abia TechRise are helping young people build digital skills in software development, technology, and innovation. As the global economy becomes increasingly digital, investment in human capital may improve just as valuable as roads and bridges. Project 7: Crystal Park Road. Road construction continues across different parts of Abia. Crystal Park Road is another example of the effort to improve accessibility, reduce travel time, and support economic activity. Small improvements across many roads often have a bigger impact than one massive project. Project 8, Abia Tower Road. The reconstruction of the Abia Tower Umuodu improves connectivity while opening new opportunities for nearby communities. Good transportation networks encourage investment and make movement more effective. Project 9, Government House Renovation. Government buildings often represent the image of a state. The renovation of the government house reflects broader efforts to modernize public infrastructure and administrative facilities. Project 10, Reconstruction of primary schools. Education remains one of the most important long-term investments. Modern classrooms, better learning environments, and improved facilities give children a stronger foundation for the future. While these projects may not always attract headlines, their impacts can last for generations. Project 11, Government Cottage Hospital, Aba. Healthcare expansion continues with improvements to the Government Cottage Hospital. Better medical infrastructure makes improved access to quality healthcare while reducing pressure on larger hospitals. Project 12, Ekeoha Shopping Center. Market has always been central to Aba's commercial identity. The redevelopment of Ekeoha Shopping Center aims to create a cleaner, more organized environment for traders and customers while strengthening local commerce. Looking at these projects together, one thing becomes clear. Abia is not relying on just one sector. Healthcare, education, roads, technology, manufacturing, markets, water infrastructure. The transformation is happening across multiple areas at the same time. Of course, no state is perfect. Many residents still hope for improvements in power supply, security, sanitation, and additional infrastructure. But compared with a few years ago, it's difficult to ignore the scale of ongoing development. Whether this momentum continues will depend on consistent execution, proper maintenance, and future investment. One thing is certain, Abia has entered a new chapter. What surprised you the most about Abia? Do you think Abia is becoming one of Nigeria's fastest transforming states? Or is there another state that is developing even faster? Share your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. Please turn on your post notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.